able to buy all of your favorite things, everything you've ever dreamed of, paying your bills on time, having no debt, wouldn't you want to be able to do something so great? But what if we told you that that's exactly what we have prepared for you today? If you want to know how to do it, then we want you to type in What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money-making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. You guys heard that right, a method that's gonna pay you over $2,000 weekly. Crazy, right? But it's as real as it gets, and your mind is definitely going to be blown. All you need is a laptop or maybe even just your phone, a decent internet connection, and just like that, you're ready to be making thousands of dollars. If you want to know more, then let's just jump right into it. Before we reveal the website that's going to be making us our $2,000, I first want you to go on google.com and look up cool cars. Now, I want you to take a look at images of these cool cars, and as you can see, there are hundreds if not thousands of images of cool cars, and this is basically the very first step that you must take before getting into the real step one. Now it's time to get into the website that's going to be making us our money by incorporating this Google search with it as well. Our website for today is called Teespring. And we know you've heard about this website, but as I've mentioned, it's a completely new strategy and I know you guys don't want to miss it, so here we are on the website. So Teespring is a simple solution to be able to create and sell products that help engage your fans and help you make money off of your content. It emphasizes these three main features: that no cost, no hassle, and no risk. And on top of this amazing overview of the website, it's entirely free, which means you're not gonna spend a single penny, a single dime, and also it's super easy that you basically don't have to work at all. So it's amazing basically. And now on this webpage, what we want you to do is scroll down, and then you're gonna find a really huge variety of apparels and accessories with very nice looking designs, as you can see over here. So what you're gonna do on this website is that you're going to upload your own designs. You're gonna have it printed on a t-shirt or any apparel, and just like that, you get to earn a lot of money online. And on this page right here, you're going to find so much niches that you can freely choose from which to monetize and print your design on. And on this left column, you can find unisex tees, women's tees, hoodies, sweatshirts, tank tops, long sleeve tees, kids and babies apparel, and a lot more. So all you have to do is pick one, which we're going to be showing you later on. So let's just explain how this works first. So you are going to submit your design, like images that we asked you to look up for the very first step. Then Teespring is going to help you print those images into the t-shirts, and every time someone buys that t-shirt that you made a design for, then you're going to be earning money from that. And also, there is no cases of having surplus or shortage since everything is printed on demand. So this will then minimize loss in money since designs will be developed only when it's demanded. So when you think about it, it's very easy to do. It's like a breath of fresh air. You don't have to go through the hassle of printing or like virtually designing it. You can just take your photo, and it's as easy as that. Now, all you're going to do is submit your designs, and then that's it. All you have to do is just wait for the money to come in, and just like that. Now, I want to tell you guys something, which is the best thing about this whole method, is that your income potential is limited. It's unlimited. There's nothing that can actually hinder you from making your own designs, and you can make as many as you want, as many as you can. And you're gonna earn as much money as you possibly can make designs as well. So you can even reach up to $5,000 and even more. And why not, right? Why don't you want to try it out? So let's see how it works then. I want you guys to comment down below, though, before anything else, what country you reside in and what payment method you guys prefer, so that I can use it for my future videos. And I always appreciate it when you guys comment down below because it helps me think of new ideas and content. So make sure that you do that. So Step 1, you're going to design and you're going to create a custom store instantly for completely free. Step 2, you're going to connect to your social accounts and promote your launch and share your products with your community. And step 3 is where you are going to earn the money, the profit that you deserve for the work that you put in while they handle the production, the shipping, and the customer service for you. So you literally don't have to do anything. And by now, I'm pretty sure you guys are super excited and stoked to get started. So I'm not gonna hold you guys any longer. Let's go on over to sign up, and I want you to focus on the upper right side of the page. Click on start designing. As soon as you click that, you're gonna find yourself to this page where your task is just going to fill up the fields that are just about your personal information. So you're going to give your name or brand name, your email address, your password, and then you're going to do the CAPTCHA, and then you're going to hit sign up. And you're also going to agree to the terms of service and the privacy policies, of course. And then now you're ready to go further in, right? So before we going straight into the creative process, you're first going to tell them more about yourself. So you're going to give the name of your store. You're just going to pick out any name, create any name since it is your store anyway. Afterwards, you're going to click the option for content creator in the question, which of the following best describes you. Then just prove that you're an actual human being. Just do everything as they ask. It's super easy. I'm pretty sure you guys know it is. And you can also link your social platforms to the website, so you can either do Twitter or maybe TikTok, YouTube, Twitch, Instagram, Facebook, whatever. As soon as you're done with that and there's nothing else left for you to do, you can hit continue. And ta-da, just like that, you have your Teespring account. Anyway, if you do sign up on your own, if my explanation was a bit confusing, you can easily go and sign up yourself. All the instructions are there anyway, and that's what you're going to be doing. So here's your Teespring account, and that's basically it, right? Now, so the first thing you're going to do once you're on this page is to hit this red button that says create a product. After that, you're going to find a variety of categories, and you can see there's so many recommendations, suggestions of the type of clothing they have and which ones are the hottest or the in right now. And we suggest that you actually, take inspiration from these styles, since these are what customers are looking for, what's in demand. So let's try designing maybe like a long sleeve tee, and this one in particular. So this is just a classic long sleeve tee. Take it away by just clicking on this button that says start designing, and then you're now set to design the long sleeve tee. You can start by uploading the desired design, for which was an image of a cool car. That is what we looked up. And then after that, you're gonna do is says add image, and what it says, you're gonna click on that so that you can upload your image, and then you actually have the freedom to move the image around, resize the image, or you can even move it to the top, to the bottom, whatever you want. And then you can also choose a product color, so the color of the tee. So you can choose what color you want. I love white, so let's do white. And then you can name your price, and you're going to be asked to set a price for your product, which will automatically be like set at $28.99, and your commission is at around $15, which is more than 50% of the price. So based on that alone, it's obviously great, right? And at this point, I just want to tell you, you're doing a great job because you've been following everything that we just said. And we're not done though. There's one tip that I actually want to share with you guys that's going to help you promote your t-shirt, so you're going to get a lot of sales. And so before we reveal that platform, we want you to make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, because it really helps the channel. We also have a lot of new ideas for you every day, so you definitely won't regret it. Also hit the notification bell, because why not, right? So let's wrap this up. So it's facebook.com. So on Facebook, I want you to search for groups that are fond of cars. So you can just put car lovers right here on the search bar. After that, just join the groups and then upload images of your design as well as the link to your store. As soon as they see the amazing design that you just created, they're gonna love it. They're gonna purchase it using your link. They're gonna purchase your design, and you're gonna be making so much money. So make sure you comment down below if you love this video, or maybe some suggestions on whatnot, because we love reading through them. And that is basically everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.